Hello buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can update apps on your Motorola Moto G23. Maybe you have some apps and they just don't work anymore, or like they don't run the way they used to, or there's something else going on, or you like get notifications that there's an update available. So you can go to your Play Store and then go to your account here and click on Manage Apps and Devices, and here you can check for any updates. You see here updates available. I have 7 updates pending. You can click here update all or go to see details, and here you have all the apps listed which can be updated. You can now go ahead and like update them one by one, or also update them all here. I'm just gonna go ahead and update Facebook so you can see what it looks like. It's pretty fast. It doesn't take too long to update an app. And now you see Facebook was updated, and now I have 6 updates remaining. You can like go ahead and update them all, or just like this one particular app if you have one. And then you can go ahead and like start your app again, and then it will run with the new update, whatever it was for, maybe something in the background or a new design or something, depends what the update was for. And then you can just go back, and if you have something that you want to check again about your app's updates or something, you just need to go back to your Play Store. So that's how you look for any updates for your apps on your Motorola Moto G23. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.